Hello everyone. Marut is famous to solve the big premises ventilation problems on a cost-effective way. To solve the problems, we have HVLS fan, exhaust fan, air coolers, louvers and hanging fans and many other products. Let me introduce to you briefly about our hanging fans. Our hanging fans are very powerful. It has a very high airflow coverage. For example, if we hang the hanging fan here, it will cover the airflow and the length is 20 to 25 meter on the conical shape. That means it covers a very high air volume. Secondly, if we convert the airflow to power consumption ratio, it has the minimum airflow to power consumption ratio. That means it will cover a less power and gives a high airflow. Third point, it is a question to the traditional oscillating fans to the industries. We can use these hanging fans to cover the large areas, and to those areas who has a low height, into the big industrial buildings, we can use this product. Into the big premises, there are some places where we cannot install the HVLS fan or any other equipment, and this hanging fan has a very high airflow coverage. We recommend these hanging fans to the all manufacturing units, temples and the big premises. We can install this hanging fan, and the most important part is it is very much affordable. Thank you very much.